Yeah, don't look at my hair. Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and I've got a really busy day today, so I'm going to make deconstructed cabbage rolls in the crock pot. Now the reason why I'm doing this for you again, because I've done it before, is I want to show you how easy it is to have a hearty, nutritious meal in your crock pot when you've got a busy day and it's all from your pantry. Now here I've opened them because I'm working one-handed with my phone here, is a jar of my tomatoes, onions, and cabbage. Here is a jar of my ground beef, a small jar of my celery with the juice, 2/3 of a cup of basmati rice, and a sliced onion. First things first, get the spatula in there and loosen things up. Hang on, I'm gonna put my phone down first. All right, so I have loosened this up. We're just going to drop it in there, and we're just going to put it in. We're going to put it in a layer. Okay. Now we're going to put our rice, 2/3 of a cup of rice, on top here. The reason we're putting it on top of the meat is because the onions, which go in next. Oh, I don't like that piece part of the onion. We'll take that out. The onions, which we're putting in next, they're going to give off lots of juice as well. So we're just going to, they're sliced, and we're just going to kind of break them up. Take that piece out. There we go. You don't want them sticking to the sides. So just put your onions all over that. Then we're going to pour on our celery. And then we're going to pour on our cabbage and tomatoes and onions all over the top. Now, if I've done my calculations correct, come supper time, we will have layered cabbage rolls. We shall see. And on goes the cover. And it goes on high. It's 2 in the afternoon. If this was, say, 10 in the morning, I would put it on low. Now, I just want to show you my tomatoes are starting to come in, but they're like rotting before they're even ripe. So when they get to the point where they're ripe, I will cut this out, this stem end out with a paring knife, and I lay them in a box in the freezer, so that when I pour boiling water over them to can them, the skins will slip right off and I don't have to fight with this part. But here's a part of the problem I'm having with my garden. Look, they're just rotting and they're not even ripe. Here is some tomatoes in the freezer, see? I just cut the stem end off and then freeze them so that when I pour boiling water over them, I will have no issues. But look, very few tomatoes this year. This box would have been full by now last year. Alrighty, Howie's out in the shop, so you're not going to get your thumbs up, but look, isn't that, and I wish you could smell this. Now, yes, it's deconstructed cabbage rolls, and I've done it before, but this video was for the purpose of showing you folks how easy it is. Look, I did this video just to show you how fast you can prepare a meal and walk away. Okay, here's your supper now that you're in.
Some pepper.
Some pepper, poivre. It's hot, even though I dished it up early for you.
Tastes like cabbage rolls.
Fastest pantry pull meal I ever made.
Awesome.
Thanks, honey. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead saying, fastest pantry pull meal I've ever made. Not fast in the cooking, but fast in the put together, leaving me to do other things. All right? Mwah! Take care. God bless.